All right, folks, discounts are continuing in the villages. Now, I just checked this morning, today, 3 more discounts just popped on the market. Now, one not too bad, but one down 100 grand, another one down 45,000. Let's take a look, see where they're located. One between the sixes, one north of 466, another one north of 466. Let's take a look at these and see where they're falling on some of these discounts. And one of them's getting down near $200 a square foot. It might be an interesting purchase. So let's take a look at these 3 real quick. Okay, the first one I'm going to start with is the one just north of 466A. So here we go, 2615 Fletcher Lane. Let's take a look at this. So it's 675, down quite a bit of money this morning. 105 days on the market, 2,135 square feet of heated space and total space as well. It does have that golf cart garage too, the additional garage on the left, and it's sitting at $316 a square foot. Now, your dream home in the village of Hemingway, it's got a 1/4 acre lot, updated kitchen, updated open kitchen with a new island, provides plenty of space. So let's see if there's anything about the bond, Hemingway pool. So it doesn't say anything about the bond, so I'm assuming there is a bond. Just remember that, okay? But let's look at some photos real quick. Vinyl siding, golf cart garage, got a nice landscaping. Solar, okay? Does have a bird cage. Maybe this has got a pool. Oh, this has a pool. Okay, let's keep going. I like the floors. Very nice. Dining area. Okay, so you walk into this big area, walks into the kitchen, out to the pool. Nice. Okay, granite countertops. Okay. Electric stove, not gas, folks. All right, little kitchen area. I always say that in my videos. I love that. So a nice laundry area, laundry room here. Bunch of storage. This must be a bedroom. Same flooring. This must be the master bath with a dual sink, walk-in shower, walk-in closet. Okay. This house is in a bad shape. This must be the other bath in the hallway. Again, the pictures need to be a little bit better organized on some of these. Enclosed lanai. Okay, that's why the heated square foot is the same as the total square foot, because that's enclosed. Okay. So you walk into your lanai from here, then you can also walk out to your pool, which is under a bird cage. I'm not sure what room that is. Looks like a little sink. All right, so here's the pool. Very nice. Probably add some privacy over here with some bushes. Very nice. Walks out from here, or you can walk out from the lanai over here on the left. Okay, so this is not bad. I mean, you're looking at $310 a square foot, but it's 2,135 square foot, $316 per square foot right now. That is 2615 Fletcher Lane. Take a look at that one. Let's go to another one. Okay, we're going to hit now 1118 Montary Lane. It's $340,000. 2-bed, 2-bath. Now, what kind of discount did this provide? Let me see. Let me go to my screen here real quick. Montary was 45 grand off. The last one, Fletcher, was a $100,000 discount. Okay, so Montary is 45,000. Let's look at that one. Okay, so this is 340, built in 91, been on the market for 77 days, 1,600 heated square feet, and it's currently sitting at $210 a square foot. Now, I was hoping there were no power lines around. The Village of Mira Mesa, near Chula Vista Rec Center, just 3 minutes from Spanish Springs, okay? Garbage disposal was replaced in 24, along with the hot water heater and the microwave. So let's look inside. Nice photo. So I like the photos. I like when they're up, looking down in the house a little bit. It makes a big difference. I love the driveway. This is your backyard here, folks. I mean, some of you folks wanted some views. The power lines are not directly in your backyard. I see them way back here. So let's take a look, see if we can get a better view of that. This is the inside. It has carpet, fireplace. That's pretty. All right. Power lines are way over there. So power lines are not right on top of you in this one. Okay, I like the little kitchen area. Again, I think they could have taken some better photos. These are very narrow. It's got older appliances, so plan on that. You don't have to, I guess, if you don't care. Countertops are older. Okay, this is a bigger area. So they have the little dining room set up over here. Fan. Fireplace. That looks like it might be gas over there. I'll have to look. No. Might be electric, though. Nope. Okay. This is a cute house. I don't know if I would have put carpet in, though. A lot of people that call me, they don't want carpet. They just want tile or hardwoods or the vinyl. All right, so you have a double sink. This must be the master bath. Sorry, I wish the photos were a little bit more organized, but they're not. You have the small walk-in closet here. Okay, that's important. We know you can sit down in the shower. Okay. I like the fact they have the bathroom, the toilet off the rest of the bathroom. This is another bedroom with a closet. This must be the hallway bathroom with a sink. Laundry room. Enclosed lanai. Okay. Okay, I'm hoping they take... There's some area. So you're around a cul-de-sac, too, which is nice. You're not going to have a ton of traffic right there, if any. Let's see if we can get something from the backyard. Hoping we can just see something outside. Nope. Okay. So, I mean, this is what you're looking at. You got some trees around you. You got some privacy from your neighbors. So, again, what is this one? 1118 Montary Lane. $340,000. Big price drop of $45K. Built in 91. 1,615 heated square foot. If you're interested in that one, let us know. Because it has potential. All right, let's go to another one. Okay, 3349 Oakdale Place. This just got a $7,000 discount this morning. 3 beds, 2 bath. Currently sitting at $241 a square foot. Built in 03. 47 days on the market. It has 1,240 heated square feet. So let's see. New roof. That's good. Don't have to worry about that expense. Freshly painted. Kitchen offers gas stove. A peninsula with room for bar stools. Okay. Low bond balance of $3,565. So that's what, a couple years? 2-3 years? Roof is new, HVAC 23, hot water heater 23. Oh, I'm sorry, HVAC in 11, hot water heater in 23. So roof, hot water heater are brand new. Okay, let's go look at some photos. Vinyl siding, they got this garage folding cover. Okay, there it is right there. All right. I'm interested in seeing about this back addition they put on. So vinyl siding, folks. This is their front entry. Small kitchen. Very small kitchen. It's going to need some carpets. See this? Carpets. Probably some paint. This must be the master with a walk-in closet and a bathroom. Stand-up shower. So this is going to need a little bit of updating. Okay. Walk-in closet. Now off to another room with a walkout to the enclosed lanai. Carpeted. So if anybody out there is a carpenter, if you're putting in carpet in this house, let's say the whole thing, and it's just 1,240 square feet. Now, I'm not talking cheap carpet. I'm talking about middle of the road carpet with pad. What do you think that will cost? Anybody throw that down below if you're a carpenter out there? Give us a price down below. Okay. And then if somebody is a painter, throw down below what you think you would paint this house for. Top to bottom, trim, potentially doors. I don't need to do the outside. Just repainting this whole house. What do you think it would run? Give us an estimate. Let me get to where we were. Okay, lanai, enclosed. I mean, you got some room in the backyard. You probably put some little bit of privacy out here, some bushes. It needs a little bit of work. It's dated. It could be clean. So you have a bunch. These gutters are probably full. See all this rain right here? That typically happens from filled gutters. They're overpouring or they're not installed properly. Okay. All right. So it needs updated baths. It doesn't really show the kitchen. There we go. So it needs some countertops. The cabinets are okay. I mean, I guess you could live with them. They're not great. Small kitchen, though. I think what I would do is I'd rip this out right here, this thing. Try to expand the kitchen a little bit. And I'd put an island in out further onto the floor. That's what I would do. And just expand that kitchen a little bit. I guess if you don't care if it's just you, maybe your spouse, husband, partner, I guess it doesn't really matter. But I would try to push this back a little bit. Okay, so what are we at? We're looking at $33.49 Oakdale, $8,000 off or $7,000 off this morning, $299.9. It currently sits at $241. So, you know, we're getting down. We're seeing more and more of those below $250 a square foot on the existing homes. 1,240 square foot. If you are a painter, let us know what you could paint that for on the inside, top to bottom with trim. And then let us know if someone's a carpenter. What would they do that? Just say you're doing 1,240 square foot of carpet. Okay, 1,000 square foot. And just say, give us if you have a price, throw it down below just for shoots and giggles, okay? But anyways, that's what we have this morning. We have 3 discounts, but a couple are pretty big. You have, you know, you keep looking. More and more of these discounts are coming. You know, $45,000, $100,000 off this morning. These are coming down in price. If we look at the square foot, $316. But remember, this had a nice pool and a nice backyard. $45,000 off this down to $210 a square foot. So if you're looking at any of these, go to our website, gilborealty.com. You can find these, and you can find a bunch of other homes when you log in. You can reach out to me. My information will be down below. Don't be afraid. Sandy McAllister will be in the Villages on the 1st, which is tomorrow. Welcome, Sandy. So we have people that are coming into town over the next probably 1 week, all the way up to at least 6 months. We can hook you up with Sandy. She'll be happy to show you some homes. Send you some listings. While she's traveling, I'll be calling people back. So if you go on our website and sign up, I'll call, say hi, see what's going on. And I'm going to be making some calls, and as well as my wife, Nicole. So anybody have any questions, feel free to reach out to me down below. I hope you have a rocking day, and we'll talk to you soon.